This is now like the 5th video I have recorded today. I'm not actually sure if this one's going out or being published, but I'm still going to make it anyways and edit it just in case people want to see this video. But yeah, welcome back guys to another video on the channel. Today we'll be taking a close look at the Wheel Action Drivers variant of Mater. I will be opening him up in just a few minutes here, but yeah, first of all we're going to take a close look at his packaging. I managed to get this guy off eBay for around about £15. I have seen some ones out of the packaging, but the towing cable has always been broken or damaged or some sort of, something wrong with it. So I just gave in and ended up buying a new one. We can see here Mater, Martin and Mate in different languages there. We've got the 2-in-1 actions there. Disney Pixar Cars logo in the middle. You can see like a little Try Me logo there, and if you do that you can press the back and his engine moves and his tires will pop out. You can see the Cars logo again. You can see this packaging is completely different to the Sheriff I looked at on the channel a few days ago, weeks ago, or whenever I did. You can see it does have 2-in-1 actions, and you can see Mater again in more languages than the front of the packaging. Some information here if you want to pause and read, feel free to do so. We've got the Cars logo there again. We've got the Mater here, and also we have the easy open, but I'm not going to open it that way because last time I did that with the dock it took forever. So yeah, I'll be right back with this guy all out of the packaging now. Here we have the Wheel Action Drivers Mater all out of the packaging. Here's a 1:55 scale plastic diecast full of stickers. As we can see by the eyes, it is a sticker. I believe that is the only sticker on him, and maybe the back bit as well. But yeah, really cool plastic car here. We can see the expression is really cool, unique obviously to this Mater. And obviously how you do these is where you press the back, the back of Mater's tow cable will change its wheel, but you've got to press the back opposite part for which wheel you want. So like if you want that wheel to pop out, you have to press the right hand side, and if you want the white wheel to pop out, you should press the left hand side if it's working here, or you could just press the wheels, which does work obviously as well. I would try to press the wheels more than the towing cable, but yeah, we can see here the Disney Pixar made in China 2015 copyright, and you just see how cool this line actually is. You can just mess around with different poses, and if you do that you can also move his engine about, which is really cool in my opinion. You can see the side here, you can see the towing cable, which is plastic full of rubber. I'd be careful with it. Yep, there is the other side. Compare him to a diecast Mater now, you can see the expression difference. Obviously this is the Thailand release from like 2025 with the updated towing cable. You can see the expression difference. You can just see the quality is obviously a lot different compared to a plastic vehicle than a die-cast one. You can just see how the wheel is more yellow actually than the die-cast. You've got the blue tow cable bit on the back there. You can see the blue wheel on Mater here, which is what it should be on this plastic one. So you can see there is obviously some downgrades. You can see that the lights aren't like coloured in like the die-cast version is. You can see the towing cable as well is a lot brighter brown. Obviously it's still rubber, but it is more hard plastic than soft rubber plastic, if that makes sense. Yeah, there is that, and then here is the base of this guy once again, just to show you guys in full without messing around with it. You can see the screws there. But yeah, really cool. I did want to show him to some other ones such as Lightning McQueen. That is now a perfect screenshot worthy moment. Feel free to screenshot if you want to, guys. Just these two messing around to each other. Their wheels, which looks really cool. My previous video on Sheriff here, as you can see, these two again look cool together. How about Mater and Doc? Really cool. Here we have Mater and Sarge. Mater and Ramon. Also from the same line, obviously. How about Mater and Snotwad? That's really cool. Snotwad was the first one I had in the collection because I thought he was really goofy. I've got him in some weird bundle, which I have explained before in my video of Doc. Yep, there is that. And also, I can't forget the red I also have as well. So yeah, that is all the Wheel Action drivers I actually have for the time being. I still need the Dinoco version of Lightning McQueen. Okay, that's even cooler of a screenshot worthy moment. I need the Chick Kicks and the King in that 3-pack with Lightning McQueen, but you know, I already have the McQueen right here. So yeah, if you guys have any of those, obviously let me know in the comments below, and I might, you know, just purchase them off you if you want to help me out complete the collection. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. This is why I wasn't too bothered about making a video on Mater compared to Sheriff, because he is obviously, you know, a lot different compared to his diecast. So here's one that deserved a video. That is also a cool screenshot worthy moment right there with these three. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say. This video might go up, it might not, like I've said. But if it does, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know below which is your favourite Wheel Action driver's car. And until then, peace everybody, which I think it will be Sunday, the next video. I'm not quite sure.